Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K Money. But you already knew that. You already knew that. So y'all, in this video today, I'm gonna make this intro real quick, real snappy, I'm be installing this wig. It is a synthetic wig, and it is in the style Solana, something like that, in the color Burgundy wine. It's really cute. It's a really cool color. I like it. And yeah, I'm be installing this today for y'all. And this, I feel like in this video was gonna be mostly just sped up for real, cause I don't do too much talking and ruin the video or nothing. Cause y'all know I talk too much. And yeah, we gonna get into it. We gonna go ahead and get into it.
So y'all, right here I was trying to pluck it. First of all, plucking a synthetic wig is nothing like plucking a human hair wig. These knots was not trying to come out. And I already don't know how to pluck for real, but y'all gonna see it in the end. I kinda did a good job, Lukey. I'm kinda proud of myself. Nobody can really tell me that I didn't do a good job. You know, I'm trying. But yeah, let me show y'all this. This is how it looked at the end. So it looked real good. And yeah, we're ready to get into this install. Alright y'all, so I wanted to come in and explain what I was doing right here. What I was doing was, and the reason why I did this, and y'all gonna see later, I did it like multiple times. I cut down the middle of the lace so it's easier to cut off. Like when you're doing frontals and stuff, in 13x6s or 13x4s, it's hard to cut all of it off. It's easier to do it with a closure. So that's why, that's a good tip, and that's why I did it like that. So a tip for when y'all doing your edges is don't part your edges straight across. When you go to part where your edges gonna be and the hairs is gonna be in your edges, don't part it straight across. Part it in like a C shape. It just makes it look better. So y'all, and another tip I have is if y'all curl your edges when y'all do your edges, if y'all curl them, I prefer and I recommend to curl them down, not up. For me, that makes them look better. So y'all, this is how it turned out. I thought it turned out really cute. And I used to have red hair, and I didn't know if it would still be my color. But it is my color. Red is my color. Pretty, you can't tell me nothing. And that's how it turned out. I didn't get to record the outro, so this is my outro. And yeah, I'm gonna see you bitches in the next video. Bye!